Hello everyone, my name is Jay. I'm 44 years old and I'm from Colorado. Coming to you from my last day here at the Arkana Spiritual Center in Iquitos, Peru. Spent an amazing week here. This trip for me has been a few years in the making. I've heard of DMT, Ayahuasca, for many years, but it wasn't until a few years ago that I found myself being pulled towards it. It was like a calling. So that's where my research began. After years of research, I settled on Arkana Spiritual Center just for their reputation, their ratings, even their price point was fantastic. I can tell you we've had a very profound week here. Just like a lot of you being caught up in everyday's rat race, I've spent the last 20 years of my life with my head down, working hard, grinding, just to carve out a little better life for myself. And I found a few years ago that that was very unfulfilling and I wasn't happy. And in fact, I was actually more lost without purpose than any other time in my life. When I arrived here a week ago, I felt very heavy. It always seemed like I was in a hurry to get somewhere where I really didn't need to be. My mind was constantly racing of just negative thoughts. But after spending a week here, I feel the exact opposite. I feel much lighter today. I definitely feel myself slowing down. I'm able to enjoy the colors, enjoy the sounds, smells of this place, which I wasn't able to do before. And I find myself even thinking slowly, slower, one thought at a time, which is a drastic change for me from when I first got here. Like I said, I did a lot of research prior to choosing on Arkana Spiritual Center, and it's their reputation that kind of sold it for me. If you guys are thinking about coming and trying ayahuasca, obviously I understand you guys have some reservations. Trust it. Okay, I actually invite you to bring your reservations with you, but plan on just leaving it here, because that's exactly what you're going to do. Arkana Spiritual Center has the greatest staff, greatest facilitators, and the greatest shaman maestros I think your money is going to buy for you. Food is fantastic, facilities are awesome, and you're in the jungle. This place is fantastic. If you guys are already thinking about ayahuasca, you guys are already halfway there. Okay, make the decision, trust it, come and get your life changed. It changed my life.